We are building a community here. I'm so excited. We're building a community and a network right here in this room and with this new company. So here's some of your best resources right here. I recommend that before you leave, you take on maybe one of the partners you've worked with today as an accountability partner, because there's what you say you're going to do, and then there's what you do. And as we've said, it's easy to make promises to ourselves, and then if we break them, there's not a lot of consequences around that, except maybe feeling guilty and having no results. But if you say what you're going to do and you invite somebody to hold you to account, you invite somebody to say, hey, by the way, did you do that yet? No. Oh, well, do you need any assistance? Again, without that judgment. Don't make them wrong if they didn't do it. Just find out what got in the way and see if you can't assist them. We've got a great, we have like minds here, right? Yeah. And it's not going to be easy to take on any new habits. It's just never easy. I still don't floss. I try, but there's nobody there going, Lisa, did you floss? So send me an email, right? But I'm going to get flossing emails.
You're going to get
the point being is that accountability, when you spoke about it earlier, is I feel a little bit more, was that the word you used? I kind of feel more accountable, and that's both empowering and scary. So don't leave the room alone. Don't do it alone. That was one of the mistakes, right? Don't take this on alone.